Hello friends, welcome to one more session with free faculty, and in this particular session we are going to see how to register for VUE exams. Now these VUE exams are very frequent nowadays and we can register for these exams and we can also take these exams from home, and obviously that helps us to get your professional career up and running. So let's see how to register for these VUE exams, how to ensure that you can take it from home. And of course, today we'll be seeing how to register for the AWS certifications. Of course, for any of this, the process is gonna be same, and let us see how we get started. So first of all, we're supposed to go to this link which says www.aws.com aws.training/certification. So this is the URL if you're trying to take one AWS certification under VUE. Okay, so the link for this particular URL also going to be there in the description. So now let's see how we're supposed to go ahead and register or book for our slot. So we're going to go to the web browser and we will ensure that we have entered this particular URL, aws.training/certification. And in this particular page, we're going to get an option to have a sign in. So first of all, let us click on sign in. Now, if you are a student or a working professional, not an AWS employee, then this is going to be your option. And all the AWS employees can log in here who are Amazon employees. But for you, the VPN will be required. But for everybody, the general people, this is going to be your option. So we're going to select all region and we're going to click on sign in. Now at this particular page, you should have a login with Amazon.com. So this is not your regular shopping login. So this is particularly a login for your Amazon.com. Now, if you don't have a login at this point in time, you can also create your account and start back once again from AWS training URL. So here I do have a login. So allow me to click in sign in. If you already have an account, you can enter your email ID and password and you can click on sign in. Now, the moment we have signed in for this, we will be coming to the certification page and it will ask you to go to your account. So at this part, you should click on go to your account. So once I click on go to your account, you will be in this particular page where it says certmatrix.com and AWS training and certification page. Here on the bottom half of the page, you'll be finding multiple options. But if you have a coupon for VUE, you have to click on manage Pearson VUE exam. You can alternatively go for PSI exams also, but it depends on what kind of coupon you have. If you have a VUE exam coupon, you have to click on view VUE exams. So let us click on that. Now, once you click on this option, you will be automatically diverted to the Pearson VUE, and here you can always go ahead and select what particular exam you have to take. So now, as I was mentioning, that we are talking about the AWS certification Cloud Practioner Exam. So let us see how for that you have to enroll. So for all of this, most of the cases you'll be getting the practice exam also. So be very, very sure and careful that you are not enrolling for the practice exam. You are actually going for the primary exam. So you can click on AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Now, once it's been done, it is always safe to go and take the exam from your own premises, like the home or your working office or your college or university. So it's always better to select the second option. But if you don't have a stable internet connection, you can always go to a local test center and take the exams. So here I will be showing you how to take the exam from home. So once I click on that, here immediately I'll be getting a new link here to run the pre-check. So once I click on run pre-check, it will automatically convert me forward me to a new page where I'll be able to do my system check, and it will tell you that preliminary system check is completed and successful. So once again, you can come back to this page and click on next. Once you click on next, they will ask you to agree to the terms and condition, and you can read all of them very carefully and agree to these points. Once you have read and agreed to this point, you can click on the next part so that it moves forward. Now here you have to select in which language you want your exam question to appear. I'm trusting that if you're watching this video, you must be an English speaking native. So probably you will be selecting English at this point in time. Now, after selecting the exam language, you can click on next. And in the next page, you will be getting the details of your exam, that how much price it's gonna take. So this exam is for $100, 100 USDs. And once you see all of those details, you can actually go ahead and click next. Now, once you have decided on that as at this point in time, you are trying to take this exam from home, so they will be, VUE will be allotting one proctor for you, online proctor, and here you will be able to select which language you want your proctor to speak. So obviously, once again, here also you will be selecting English, and you can click on next. Now, once that has been done, at this page, you will be expected to select your slot. So if any of you are planning to take the placement drive on 30th or followed by, so for us, the preferable date is going to be 26, 27, or 28th of October. For example, if I select 27th of October, then I'll be getting a chance to select which slot I wanted to take. So while selecting the slot timings also, you have to be very careful that these all are midnight, and from here onwards, actually your morning 9 a.m. starts. This is your morning 9 a.m. On the other hand, you can also select the afternoon slots, which starts from 4:45 on this particular day. And you can choose any of the slot, but just be careful that this 12 a.m. is your midnight, and until you get to see this 9 a.m., all of those are before 9 a.m. So assuming that here I am selecting some time which is 10 a.m. This is going to be my morning 10 a.m. So allow me to select that. Once I decided that I wanted to take my test on morning 10 a.m., I'll be having all these options here. And here at this part, they will be added another $18 to take up the exam. So at this point in time, if you have a coupon, so your cost will be reduced exactly 50%. If you have a 50% or 60% coupon. Now at this page, after seeing all of those details, after confirming your slot timings and everything, you're supposed to go ahead and click on proceed to checkout. So once you click on proceed to checkout, they will again give you a set of rules and regulations that how you should be preparing your testing room and everything. Once these all are being done, you can go ahead and after reading all these points very carefully, you can click on accept. Now, once you have clicked on accept, here you'll be getting an opportunity to add your voucher or promo code. So once you go ahead and add your voucher, you have to enter the voucher code here. Once this has been done, you'll be able to click on this apply button and you'll be able to see the reduction in this final price. And after that, on the bottom half of the page, you'll be able to go ahead and enter your card information. Once you have entered your card informations and everything is fine, you'll be able to see the final details about that exam and everything gonna be assigned for you. And at this point in time, you're supposed to get 2 emails from AWS saying that these are your exam timings, and they will give you a detailed list that how to prepare for the certification exam and how do you prepare your room to ensure that there is no disturbances. So I hope This tutorial gonna be very helpful for you to schedule your exams from home, and you will be able to take the certification exam without any problem. So an advance all the best to all the people who are planning to take the certification exams from their home. Have a nice time. Good day.